So guys, they watching another video, another early morning car meet today. Today there's this Cars and Coffee going on in Newport Beach, but it's a BMW Cars and Coffee. And again, we are bringing the GTR to a BMW car meet. But a bunch of homies are going, so I had to pull up. We got Kevin, Sebastian, I don't even know who else, but a bunch of BMW homies. I probably should have brought my M3 to fit in, but I think it's funny when I pull up at the GTR to like a BMW event. Let's get it. Woo. Also, the GTR is so freaking dirty. I'm kind of embarrassed to bring it. If you guys watched last video, the wheels are like brown from all the brake dust. The reason I haven't washed it is because I just replaced the windshield. But they said you can't wash the car for like a day or two, and I don't really want to mess it up. So maybe I think today I can probably wash it, but I'm running late like always. Oh my god, bro. I just drove by a line of BMWs. Bro, I definitely do not fit in today. It's literally at a BMW dealership. Oh my god. E30 M3, E92 over there. Bro, I honestly don't even want to pull in there. I don't even want to go in there, guys. I'm kind of embarrassed to pull up in a Nissan. Alright guys, here we go. It's literally all BMWs. That F80 looks hard right there. I feel like this guy's about to yell at me. I see Kevin over there though. He's right there. Damn. I think the homie Sebastian's coming in his wide body E36. I'm trying to see that. That's literally the only reason why I pulled up, to be honest. Bro, this E46 looks so clean, dude. It looks so sick and black. I brought the wrong car, bro.
You can't bring your own team out here, bro.
Is that Kevin? Kevin's Lime Rock? Alright, we made it. We finally parked after like an hour. Thank you, bro.
They put me in the back. No.
Damn. Where?
If my wheels weren't as cambered, I would have made it in time.
Damn, look at this one. It's the homie Narvin.
Yeah,
look at this roll cage in here, dude.
You, took a lot of time to build it.
You're so dumb, Kevin. This shit is clean. You got a plant in there? Look at the little plant. Yeah, this thing's nice. All blacked out. Guys, I want to redo my E92. Either sell the E92 or redo it all, like completely. Change everything on it. The wheels, the coilovers, the cage, everything. Like just start over. Damn, you got the whole jacket on, everything on.
You like it?
Oh my god, dude. Bro, it's so sick. I swear. This shit is crazy. Huh? This is the homie Sebastian's E36 M3. Bro, you parked with the other guy? Sheesh. That shit's hard, bro. Oh my god, look at these wheels. BBS's. Bro, Sebastian got the hardest E36 now. For sure. M3 too. Makes me want it so bad. It's so freaking nice, bro. Wish I did all this to mine.
You can't take it off.
Oh, you can't move it? No way.
Sit on it.
Oh my god, look at this. All carbon fiber. Dude, this shit's mint. This is like brand new, bro.
Because of you. Everything today is because of you. Hey, one thing about Kevin, don't ever meet him at the gas stations. He'll leave without you.
Bro, you didn't want to wait for nobody.
It's happened to me 3 out of 3 times.
Damn, Kevin's fucked up, bro. Look at this one, E30 wide body. So we got the 2 wide body cars right here. Damn, dude, this might be 2 of the cleanest cars here. Little Nardo Gray E30 wide body Pandem kit, I think. But yeah, I'm obsessed with Sebastian's car. This shit is beautiful, bro. BBS wheels, wide body kit, roll cage, Recaros. This shit has everything.
It took me a long time to build it, bro. But I'm glad the way it came out.
This shit is nice, bro. That's crazy. I guess he swapped it too. Damn, S52. It just needs a turbo right there. Look how sick this is. It reminds me of Manny's car, but it's super wide body. This shit's hard. Bro, look how wide it is. This shit is slammed. You don't like this?
Yeah, it's just dope, bro. It's a nice BMW.
It kind of is a BMW, bro.
Ugly fucking lid looks like that.
He's always talking shit about Hugo's car. Guys, look, I found Hugo's car. I'm about to show him. If he's even awake. Oh, he is awake. It's your car, bro.
Literally my car. Bro, same wheels and everything.
Stick shift too. Damn, guys, look at this thing. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know what it is. You guys are probably gonna roast me. I'm sure one of you guys know, but that shit is hard. Bro, I did not know BMW makes cars like this. That's insane. I'm pretty sure these are all super expensive right here. Bro, it looks good with these wheels. Kevin has black wheels, but I kind of like the Silver, bro. This thing's lower than you though.
Yeah, right.
Wow, bro, this one's actually really freaking clean. The prices are going up, bro. That's what I'm thinking. This one's probably worth a lot. 2 GTS?
Look at the lip, bro.
Uh-oh. How much is that?
$1,500 bucks.
1,500 bucks?
For that little lip.
The lip I want for my GTR is I think 1,500.
Look, bro,
but...
these like my new mods on my
Oh shit, I thought this was you. Which one's you?
This one.
No, it's not, bro.
Yeah, it is.
I'm so confused who's who.
Other woman, look, white.
What the
GTS.
fuck? There's so many GTSs? Oh, white's hard. I like the white, Kevin. Shit's so clean with the hood and the headlights. Red interior. It reminds me of my car right here. Ready 92. What is that, Kevin? The new body style? It's pretty sick. I kind of like it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, look, they're all. Oh my god, those girls. Never mind.
Bro, look how awkward it looks with the plate.
Yeah, that looks really ugly, bro. I don't like the big ass girl. I want to see an M3 though, in person. Or the new M4. Another one. All over Sebas. Damn, there's so many E36s here. Now I kind of want one again.
This is clean as fuck.
Guys, this thing is crazy. Look at this. E36 wagon with this like crazy ass purple color. But that shit is actually so nice. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I've ever seen a wagon E36. Well, at least I'm not the only non-BMW here. There's a McLaren. And this thing is beautiful, bro. That color. This shit's sick. Woo! Nice little E46 M3. Well, it's like a little mini Beamer Fest here, I swear. So I guess Kevin finally got a tune on his car. This shit's loud, dude. All of these M4s are freaking loud. I actually love that color. Oh my god. I always forget how loud E92s are. Kevin's car is a lot louder than before. I think he did downpipes and a tune. That's pretty sick. So left out. Look at me. All the BMW guys. Kevin doesn't want to race me, guys. Car meet number 2. Look what it is. Yeah, look at this thing. That's the homie Sergio, I think. The homie that we raced a while ago. It's just so crazy with the tire. Oh my god, bro. That Porsche just broke the front bumper. A little C8. Damn, that shit's really all orange, bro. Damn, there's a bunch of supercars here. Damn, that color is sick. R32, yeah, this shit is clean. Right hand drive too, look. Woo. I want an R32 so bad, bro. I feel like I saw that one at the last meet. Sheesh. Old school Lambo. This is my favorite car here. SVJ. Oh, bro, look at this. Oh my god, bro, it's literally perfect. This interior with the black exterior. Oh, dude. You like it, Kevin, or what?
Huh?
You like it?
Yeah.
Bro, I think that's the next car, dude, with that wing too. I really think that's the next car. Just like that too with the wing. TTSV. Trying to race? Some sick ass M4s. But that's pretty sick. A little battery. Get it? Because it's a Tesla. Yeah, SVJ. Bro, I love the center exit exhaust. I heard this guy daily drives it and drives the shit out of it, which is dope. Bro, the whole freaking car shook. That's crazy. See, if I got an SVJ, bro, I would drive the shit out of it too. I put 100,000 miles on it. But yeah, I guess he's somebody that actually drives that shit. Like, he drives it across states and everything. Damn, that banner though. Boy, that looks really good. All right, guys, we just got back to the shop. And check out this thing that Manny's driving. A Mercedes, what is it, S-Class? E-Class? I don't even know what it is. Big ass Mercedes. in this super sick tan color, which I actually thought about doing one day, but look at this. The secrets or what?
Don't show them. Wrap shops are gonna be watching this video and want to copy me.
But this thing is coming out sick, guys. Look at this. This color is called like Sandstorm or something like that. It looks super sick. Yeah, super gloss Sandstorm by Nosatech. But look at this. Look at the quality, guys. Look at this. This is what I mean, bro. The only person I trust wrapping my car is Manny right there. It looks super freaking good. Tell me this doesn't look like a paint job right here. It legit looks like a paint job, bro. All the edges are perfect. The wheels are actually getting powder coated right now, so that's gonna be sick. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this freaking wrap quality. It's coming out super freaking good. And me and Manny are already talking about wrap ideas for the GTR, so I think we're actually gonna do it very soon. Maybe reveal it at the grand opening. When we have that little car meet here, maybe reveal it then, but it's gonna be sick. I can't wait. Leave your guesses, guys. What color are we gonna do the GTR? But yeah, guys, it looks super freaking good. I love this new Nosatech color. Well, Nosatech colors. All of their colors are super glossy like this. Like it legit looks like a paint job, bro. Look at this banner that we put up. Now it's hiding all those ugly ventilation things up there. Now you can't see anything. It's covered. Now you can see the logo. We just gotta figure out something right here. Maybe another banner or something to hide all that stuff.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching